Harley-Davidson has unveiled the new 2026 Pan America 1250 Limited. This new adventure touring model features a full kit of the most desirable accessories, factory installed and designed to enhance its off-pavement readiness. Special features include a rugged aluminum top case and side case luggage with a combined capacity of 120 liters, a Screamin' Eagle quick shifter that provides clutchless up and down shifts without risking transmission damage, in a muffler guard, aluminum skid plate, and radiator guard, which are now standard equipment for riding off pavement. The position of rear brake and shifter pedals can be adjusted to enhance control and comfort when the rider is standing. All the features that have made the Pan America 1250 Special a leading choice among discerning global adventure touring riders are retained, including semi-active front and rear suspension, tubeless laced wheels, Daymaker Signature Adaptive Headlamp technology, 9 selectable ride modes, including off-road modes, and a full suite of Rider Safety Enhancements by Harley-Davidson. Adaptive Ride Height automatically transitions the motorcycle between a low stop position and optimal ride height when the motorcycle is in motion. The system allows the rider to mount the Pan America 1250 Limited model with ease and to confidently put feet down to the ground at a stop. Handguards and heated grips are also standard. Display and infotainment generated by the rider's Bluetooth-equipped mobile device is presented on a 6.8-inch color TFT touchscreen. The Revolution Max 1250 powertrain is a liquid-cooled 1250 cubic centimeters V-twin engine designed to offer flexible, engaging performance, making 149 horsepower and 91 pound-feet of torque. Guys, if you like the new Pan America 1250 Limited, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.